Well, today it pretty much had officially retired this old ass son of a bitch here. This old ass KitchenAid. This one here was a 17.5 cubic foot. If you look in there, the freezer part ain't as bad. Well, that part ain't as bad, but look down there. It's ew. Fucking worse than the goddamn basement. Old ass son of a bitch. In fact, this refrigerator was like here for like the past. This refrigerator actually was right here. Was right here in the barrel, like right here in the bottom of the barrel, for the past 11 fucking years, 11 years. And it was in good use in its previous place. Figure it was some say relatives that are like sadly no longer around, and they actually had a house, whatever, and this refrigerator was in their kitchen. Served them well for so many years. Then he had to downsize. And the place they ended up downsizing to provided a refrigerator and all that, so actually had two. They had one in their basement, but that one was but that refrigerator ended up going to whoever bought the place, and this we ended up say spent one day moving this out. It did very well. It pretty much signed up, but when it got here, it just ended up staying in the basement for like 2 years. And I say 9 years ago, which was like 2 years after that, it was like over 2 years, a little over 2 years. Which was like 9 years ago. Well, it'd probably be 9 years ago. Very soon. What happened was they ended up moving this to the upstairs. I ended up putting this in our kitchen. When we put it in place, it was like so fucking. It was like so immaculate when we put it in when we actually installed it. It was so fucking immaculate. Yeah, but then so many goddamn people using it, and it takes too long, and nobody even cleans anything. Sure, we could clean it. Sure, we could probably clean it a few times. There's probably some times we did clean it. Oh, we did clean it, but. But then we had to, yeah, so now, so yeah, so this refrigerator is going to be pretty much like, say, and where this refrigerator is going, this refrigerator is going to be hauled the fuck away by, apparently the power company. Probably have some type of deal, whatever, or you get an old appliance, whatever, that's so energy inefficient, you get like a $50 rebate. They say you replace your refrigerator with a new one. You get like, say, a $50 rebate, along with, say you get $50 and they say, no, I save my electric bill, but they'll give you a rebate to take off your hands. So this refrigerator is practically on its way to fuck out. couple weeks it's gonna be fucking out of here. For good. Oh well. Served us long and it served us well. Piece of shit. Oh, this son of a bitch here.